Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Avenza Maps offline. So if you're going somewhere without internet access, this feature can be extremely useful. First, while you're still connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, open the Avenza Maps app. Then download or import every map you'll need before your trip and wait until each map is fully downloaded. Next, open the map once to make sure everything loads correctly, and then allow Avenza Maps to access your device's location. Now, even after you lose internet service, you can still open your downloaded maps, view your GPS location, record tracks, add place marks, and navigate normally. And you need to remember that only maps already stored on your device will work offline, so always prepare them before heading into remote areas. So that was how to use Avenza Maps offline. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.